Did you know that with just 7 days of targeted arm exercises, you can see significant changes in strength and tone? If you're looking to sculpt your arms fast, this video is for you. In today's video, we're diving into a 7-day arm workout challenge that will help you transform your arms quickly. Whether you're aiming for more definition or increased strength, these exercises are designed to deliver results. Stick with them, and by the end of the week, you'll notice the difference. Tip 1. First, let's talk about push-ups. Push-ups are a must-have in any arm workout routine because they work your biceps, triceps, and shoulders all at once. This is key because it not only builds muscle, but also enhances your overall upper body strength. Tip 2. Next up are tricep dips. These are fantastic for isolating the triceps, giving you that defined look at the back of your arms. Incorporating this exercise into your routine will help you develop strong, toned triceps. Tip 3. The third tip is to do bicep curls. Simple but effective. Bicep curls directly target the muscles at the front of your arms. Consistency with this exercise can lead to noticeable gains in arm size and strength. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Tip 4. Another essential tip is to add resistance band exercises to your routine. Resistance bands are great for providing continuous tension throughout the movement, which is perfect for building muscle endurance and improving tone. To recap, these 4 exercises: push-ups, tricep dips, bicep curls, and resistance band exercises are all you need to transform your arms in just 7 days. Whether you're looking to build strength or achieve a more toned appearance, these moves will get you there. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are ready to take on this challenge. Let's get those arms sculpted and strong.